Today, we review the best combo amps for metal that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Fender Champion Electric Guitar Amplifier. Think that a solid-state amp can never compare to the quality of a tube? The Fender Champion 20 might just change your mind. This amp is best suited for the beginner who does a lot of practicing.
Number 2.
Vox Pathfinder Combo. The Vox Pathfinder 10 is perhaps the closest competitor of the Fender Champion 20. It's small in size, but big with quality. Many people tend to think that smaller amps don't go a long way, but the Vox Pathfinder proves them wrong.
Number 3.
Blackstar IDCore V2. If you're looking for an amp that gives you ease of use and control, then the Blackstar IDCore V2 is the amp for you. Famed for its unique controls, the IDCore V2 is all about giving users the intuitive control of a traditional amp but with more versatility and programmability. Marshall
Number 4.
Marshall Amps MMG30GFXU. No amp list ever exists without mentioning a Marshall. The company never fails to impress, and this time, it has made its mark with the MG30FX combo amp. Though it may look like your regular old amp, this modest device delivers a range of tones like no other. From classic to modern tones, the MG30FX has it all.
Number 5.
Fender Super Champ Guitar Combo Amp. We're big fans of the Fender brand here, but with justifiable reasons. What I love most about the Fender Super Champ is its easy computer connectivity. For those who want to take their sound customization to the next level, this is the amp to get.